Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a mud-tin nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Well, Frosty the snowman was as light as he could be, and the children say he would laugh and play just the same as you and me. Oh, thumpity-thump-thump, thumpity-thump-thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity-thump-thump, thumpity-thump-thump, over the hills of snow. Frosty the snowman knew the sun was hot that day, so he said, now struggling, we'll have some fun now before I melt away. Down to the village with a broomstick in his hand, running here and there all around the square, say, catch me if you can. He led them down the streets of town, right to the traffic cone. He only paused a moment when he heard them all stop. Frosty the snowman had to hurry on his way, but he waved goodbye saying, don't you cry, I'll be back again someday.